quit my job on Maggie's farm. They burned my clothes and threw out my guitar. I look up and see a shallow road, 99 miles of apathy left to go. I burn my bridges now, the capitalist inside has finally drowned.
Good morning, D Nation. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. I got some Heal All tea this morning. This is from the lovely Dr. Morse. I love this tea. You guys will know I use it like all the time. And we're starting with that tea. I love it. Just so soothing on the whole GI tract. And if you're wondering what are these boxes here, these are mangoes. So I loaded up on the mangoes because when you find them, these are the best, you guys. When you find them, they're gone so fast. And these are the mangoes. These are the Atolfo mango. Am I pronouncing that right? From Mexico. These are the bomb, you guys. Really good for packing on muscle too, and just cleaning out the body. And I'm not going to start with those. We might end with those, or maybe we'll see how the day goes. But I want to start off with some juice. So we're going to make some orange juice this morning. Orange grapefruit. I'll show you how I'm doing it.
The moon shines light in front of me, mocking the fact I've lost the will to reach. I stand up and face my destiny. Remember the words my father spoke to me. If you wanna be a creator, you better pitch a damn good case to God.
Mucus eliminating juice. You can't beat it. Really good for flushing out your system. I love those grapefruits too. Super powerful. Let me know if you drink this and you get mucus coming out. I want to hear it. Cheers. So next, what I ate, and you guys know I love, are grapes. So when I went shopping this morning, I saw that there were organic grapes, and so I had to just load up on all the grapes, and it's actually sparked a conversation in the lineup. Another customer was asking if I eat all those grapes, and what am I doing? Do I make wine? And I said, no, I actually eat all these grapes. Sometimes I juice them, but I've, healed myself from ovarian cysts just by doing these grape detoxes and eating a lot of raw living foods. And then she asked if I had to be supervised. And I said, no, I eat as much fruit as I want, and I can stop it whenever I want, but I just loved overdosing on nutrition, on healthy living food, alkaline food. And so she said that she's actually going to pass this information on to her daughter and her friends because they have their own health problems. And so I just thought I'd share that story with you guys because it's like Gandhi said, it's just about being the change and being the example. And it's amazing when you just have, a cart full of fresh foods like grapes and fruits and vegetables. It just sparks conversation. And I guess it's not really looked at as normal. Although I want to make this normal, eating fruits and vegetables and eating just healthy food, giving the body health. And unfortunately, nowadays it's it's not looked upon as normal, loading up on tons of bananas and oranges and apples, you know. And so she actually ended up looking at her cart and saying, you know what, maybe I should, get a few more fruit, get some more fruit and less processed food and cereals. And it was a great conversation, and just one that was really friendly and educational. And for me, I just didn't even have to say anything. The food really just spoke for itself. So that's all you need to do, is just be the example and show people the way. And for me, the way is raw living foods. Follow the bees. So after eating some of those grapes, I didn't eat that big bowl full, but I put the rest in the fridge for the whole week. I ate 4 of these delicious mangoes. I just love doing mono meals of fruit. It's just so good on the body. And after those beautiful mangoes, I had a green juice. So we have parsley here. We have pea sprouts, which I just ate. I didn't actually juice. And some dandelion. And this is really good detoxer for your liver. I don't always do juices, you guys, every day, but when I do a juice, I really try to make a lot because I am, pressed for time. So I make a whole bunch and I store it in a big container in the fridge for the next day. So here we have some kale. I'm washing the celery, the dandelion, carrots. I got apple, and put it in this huge jar. So I drank about half of this and then stored it in the fridge for the next day. This is about 2.5 liter jar, so it's quite a bit of juice and really good for getting the live enzymes in, mineral-rich foods. And to end the day, I had this papaya. And up north here, the melons, it's hard to get them ripe, but this one was perfect. And I'm cutting this with one hand here, so it didn't quite cut well, but look at that. Just beautiful color. And inside there is the papaya seeds. So if you guys are wanting to eliminate parasites naturally, you can try a bit of this. Try a bit of these papaya seeds. A peppery, bitter taste. Parasites do not like that. And so I just had a little bit of that, tossed the rest out. And it's just really, all these foods I'm showing you are super hydrating for the body. Really good pull on the lymphatic system. We're talking about fruits, berries, melons, and, getting the greens in. If you're working out, you really want to make sure that you're doing either smoothies or green blends. And I love this, especially for being in the sun. I want to make sure that you're hydrating, and what better way than the fruits. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like more of these videos, give this one a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a beautiful day. As always, be alkaline, be your beautiful selves, and be getting in some fruits and veggies today. Cheers.